Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will talking about trigonometric equation part 3. Okay, now we will jump to the lesson. Okay, equation of the form we take from the previous one, which is a cosine x plus b sinus x equals c. But from here we take the c if we take the c equal 0. So equation a cosine x plus b sin x sinus x equals 0. So and then the last is about equation of the form a cosine square x plus b cosine x times sinus x plus c sinus square x equals 0, everyone. So now let me explain about equation of the form a cos x plus b sinus x equals 0. Equation of the form a cosine x plus b sinus x equals 0, like I said before, if c equals 0, you can divide either by cosine x or sinus x. It's up to you, everyone. It doesn't matter. As long as you can divide by cosine x or sinus x, you can choose one of them. Okay, from here I give you example. Cos, if this question divided by cos, it equal tangent x equal minus a over b. But if you here divided by sinus, it's equal cotangent equal minus b over a. So now let me give your example.
Okay, now we have the question is square root of 3 cosine x minus sinus x equals 0. So this is different question with the previous one. So it makes easier to us to solving by divided either cosine x or sinus x. Now I want to divide cosine x, everyone. Okay. So the question is square root of 3 cosine x minus sinus x equal 0. So I want to divide it, the both side is cosine x. If you curious why I'm divided by cosine x, because that the result this one to be tangent. If you divide it by sinus, this result will be cotangent, everyone. So let me continue about this one. This one is equal square root of 3 minus tangent x equals 0. So the result is tangent x is equal square root of 3. So we can continue from this e. So that's the showing tangent x is equal tangent 60 degree. So from the formula x is equal 60 degree plus k 180 degree, everyone. So this is already formula for this one. If you want to divide it by sinus, it's okay, but you can choose either sinus or cosine to make you easier to solve that problem, everyone. Or if you don't want to divide it both sides, you can move the position from the left side to the right side, everyone. Okay, that's the example for this one. Let me continue to another example.
Okay, everyone, this is the last equation of the form for trigonometric equation. We already see here a cosine square x plus b cosine x sinus c plus c sinus square x is equal 0. You can divide it either by cosine square x or sinus square x. So from here, I divided by cosine square x. So this result will be c tangent square x plus b tangent x plus a equals 0. So from here, you need to factorize each other. After the factorize, you can get the result. Okay, let me give you example.
Another example in here, sinus square x plus 2 sinus x times cosine x minus 3 cosine square x equal 0. Okay, from here, you can divide either sinus square x or cosine square x. But today, I want to divide by cosine square x. The purpose is I want to change into tangent. I want to change to the tangent. So let me write sinus square x plus 2 sinus x cosine x minus 3 cosine square x equal 0. The both side divided by cosine square x. So from here, sinus square x divided by cosine square x equal tangent square x plus 2 sinus x times cosine x divided cosine square x is 2 tangent x. This one, 3 cosine square x divided cosine square x is minus 3 equals 0. So from here, you can do it by factorize, everyone. Okay, so we open bracket tangent x plus 3 plus 3 close bracket tangent x minus 1 equal 0, everyone. Right? So from here, we can write tangent x equal plus 3 equals 0, or tangent x minus 1 equals 0. So from here, tangent x is equal minus 3, and then tangent x equal 1. Can you see, in the tangent x equal minus 3, we don't have any value for this, so we can rewrite this one is undefined, or you can just get the cancel. So we just need to solve this formula. Okay, we just need to solve this one because this one is undefined. So from here, tangent x is equal 1. Is that the meaning? Tangent x is equal tangent 45 degree, everyone. So the result is x equal 45 degree plus k times 360 degree. So that's it, everyone.